Website security might not be the first thing you think about when you plan managing a website. Let's admit it, most of us tend to brush it off. That is until disaster strikes, and suddenly website security becomes the only thing on your mind. There are tried and true way to prevent that, guys. My name is Daniel, and today I want to talk about website security and the steps you need to take to ensure it. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts. Let's get started. 10 steps to protect your website. Securing your website is crucial to protect it from cyber threats and keep your visitors' data safe. So let's talk about 10 steps you can take to ensure your website is secure. Step 1. First, make sure to install and verify an SSL certificate on your site. An SSL certificate authenticates your site's identity and secures the connection between your website and your visitors. If your site isn't properly secured with SSL, users might see a "your connection is not private" warning, which of course can drive them away. If you are building your site from scratch, you will need to get your own. But here is some good news. Most website builders, such as Verpex, include an SSL certificate in their paid plans. And if you are in search of a reliable hosting provider, that will keep your website safe and secure. Look no further than Verpex. With Verpex, you can trust that your website is in good hands and focus on creating awesome content without worrying about security issues. So guys, if you want to partner with a hosting provider that's got your back, give Verpex a try. Step 2. Next, check if your website certificate uses CHA-256. This cryptographic algorithm creates a unique fingerprint for each dataset, making it secure and difficult for anyone without the fingerprint to access the information. You can check this by inspecting your website certificate through your browser or using an online tool. If your site uses SHA-1 instead, consider updating to SHA-256 for better security. Step 3. Enabling HTTP strict transport security. HSTS is another step. It ensures that all communications with your site are over HTTPS, protecting your site from unauthorized access and stripping attacks. You will need to add a specific header to your server configurations to enable this. That will help you ensure that all data transferred is encrypted. Step 4. Using secure and HTTP-only cookies is also important. These cookies encrypt the data sent between your website and your visitors, making it more secure and reducing the risk of cross-site scripting. XSS attacks. It also restricts access to cookies from client-side scripts. Step 5. Investing in anti-malware software and firewall is a must to protect your site from threats and unauthorized access. Choose a reputable provider, install the software, and configure it as instructed to enhance your security. Step 6. Protecting against distributed denial-of-service attacks is essential. A DDoS attack floods your site with massive traffic to overwhelm its resources, making it unavailable. Implement a robust DDoS protection service or firewall and use traffic monitoring tools to identify potential threats. Step 7. Validating user data and inputs can prevent SQL injections, where attackers exploit vulnerabilities in input fields to insert malicious code. Implement proper data validation, use prepared statements for parameterized queries, and keep your software updated to guard against these attacks. Step 8. And speaking of updates, regularly updating your website software is vital. Security is an ongoing battle between attackers and defenders, and missing updates means missing out on protection against new types of attacks. Step 9. Don't forget to continuously back up your website. Regular backups protect against data loss and help you restore your site to a secure state in case of a breach. Step 10. And finally, folks, regularly scan your website for vulnerabilities and test your configurations. Automated vulnerability scanning tools can help you spot potential issues in your website code, configuration, or server settings, allowing you to address them proactively. So there you go, guys. Following these steps will help you build a solid defense against cyber threats and ensure your website remains secure and trustworthy for your visitors. Final thoughts. Guys, I know that this all might seem like a lot, and it may feel like it takes a ton of work to put these tips into action. But trust me, investing some time and effort into preventing security issues is way better than dealing with this mess after they happen. Think of it this way. It's like maintaining your car. Regular checkups and oil changes might seem like a hassle, but they are nothing compared to the headache and cost of a major breakdown. And the same goes for website security. By taking the necessary steps to secure your site, you're saving yourself from potential disasters, wasted time, and lost revenue. Alright, my friends, and that's all on how to ensure your website security. Thanks for watching. Until next time.